Imagine buying your dream car only to find out it can't legally be driven on the road. That's exactly what happened to me and the Audi A3. In today's video, I'll show you guys the unexpected repairs, the roadworthy test, and whether I managed to get the car street legal. So let's get into it. I recently bought a 2010 Audi A3 1.8T from We Buy Cars. Excited to finally drive it on the road, but there was one big problem. It failed its roadworthy inspection. Apparently, the left control arm bushing was completely shot, making the car non-roadworthy. That meant one thing: repairs before I could legally hit the streets. To tackle the issue, I decided to head over to Point S workshop. So I made it to Point S. I need to go in and see the salesman. Just gonna grab some stuff and then gonna probably see what he says in terms of when I can get a booking or the time I can get a booking. I'm quite early, it's about 8:30 in the morning, so let's see how many things I can get done today. So this is Point S. So the car is on the ramp, they're gonna start working on it now. I got lucky, they pretty much didn't have a spot for me because they're so busy. Okay, these are the bushings, the new one. These are aluminium, rubber, hard rubber. The brand, Seedman. So when they replace it, I'm gonna actually show you what the other one looks like, how bad it is. So I have the left and the right bushings that are here. Instead of just replacing the damaged control arm, I made the call to replace both control arms, just to be proactive and avoid future issues. The team got to work, and watching the suspension get some much needed TLC was satisfying. We'll do the other one. Now it's time to maneuver the bushings, the bolts in, and get that done. So that's the right hand side done, and now it's to put the left hand side bolts. Does it look fine? My tires look fine.
They got massive flat spots.
Yeah.
Due to lack of rotation.
Yeah.
Or the rims that are backward, one of the two.
Yeah.
If I were here, I would rather ask the guys to take the wheels off, put them on the machine, see why you're getting those flat spots.
So this one is broken.
On the inside. Oh, okay, okay. Was it both sides?
I would say more that one.
More that one.
Yeah, they're broken as well. During the repair, the control arm bushing might seem to be like a small issue, but it's critical for passing the roadworthy test. Skipping this repair wasn't an option.
So the guy will just check everything out, let me know if there's any other damages where he can't set the alignment. He will let me know. So this will be like another 10 to 15 minutes and then we should be done here. Guys adjusting underneath to make sure everything is correct. All parameters are met.
Once the repairs was done, we finished it off with the wheel alignment to make sure everything was perfectly in line.
So I'm just finished off now in the control arm. So I'm actually driving my way to getting done for COR. And yeah, you're gonna see what it is like to get that done. Hopefully there's no other issues, but crossing fingers. So I'll catch you guys when I get to COR.
Next up was a roadworthy inspection. This wasn't a quick check. It was a rigorous test. They inspected the brakes, the headlights, the wipers, the horn, and even checked all over for any water and oil leaks. I held my breath.
I never knew they do that. Some crazy stuff.
During the roadworthy test, I've never been this nervous about lights, wipers in my life. This test really makes sure every little detail is perfect. As the car went through each stage of the test, finally the results were in. It passed. With the car roadworthy, my final stop was licensing office. After filling out my details, I got the car officially registered on my name. I picked up my new license disc and I ordered a new fresh set of number plates. It's official. This Audi A3 is now mine and ready for the roads. This journey wasn't without its challenges, but it was worth it. If you're planning to buy a used car, always check the roadworthy status first. At the licensing office, getting the car in my name feels like a final step in making it truly mine. This little journey taught me so much about buying used cars.
Car's done. New plates are on. Yeah, it's legal now. Just need to put the disc on and I'm fine for having the car roadworthy and legal to be on the road.
I hope this video helps you guys to avoid some of the surprises I faced. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car adventures.